Hi, and welcome to the Waiver Consulting Group. To establish an adaptive equipment services agency in Wisconsin, follow this professional roadmap. Adaptive Equipment Services provides supportive functional independence through personalized medical and assistive devices for children and adults with disabilities. The first step to start is business and state authorization. Register your business with the Wisconsin Department of Financial Institutions and secure a Type 2 National Provider Identifier. You must enroll as a durable medical equipment provider with Forward Health to bill Medicaid directly. Additionally, you must contract with managed care organizations or IRIS fiscal employer agents to provide equipment to waiver participants. The next step is staffing and compliance. All staff must clear a background check via the Wisconsin Caregiver Background Check Law before service delivery. Your agency must employ or contract with licensed therapists, such as occupational or physical therapists, to complete required evaluations. All personnel must be trained in HIPAA, safety protocols, and manufacturer-specific equipment standards to ensure proper device fitting. The last step is technical and billing infrastructure. Implement a system for tracking equipment maintenance, warranties, and clinical justifications. All devices must be medically necessary and authorized through the participant's individual service plan or support and service plan. Ensure your billing engine is configured for Forward Health prior authorizations and follows the approved Medicaid fee schedule for assistive devices. If you need help to go through the process of setting up your agency, ensuring state compliance, or managing your Medicaid enrollment, Waiver Consulting Group provides full-service support to get you to your first referral in record time. Visit waivergroup.com or call 302-888-9172 to get in touch with.